You want to take 1 milliliter, which is usually 1 dropper, before bed. You might think that this is mint. It's not. And it can do something no mint can come close to. It's literally my second favorite healing herb on this planet. My absolute favorite I'm going to share with you in the end of the video, so make sure you stay with me. I call this one the universal well-being healing plant for your gut, your liver and your nervous system. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of one-on-one clients use this to get out of the fight and flight state, out of a tight nervous system, is constantly in stress mode, and all that while it's also being super gentle on your system. Very well tolerated, no matter if you have a very sensitive stomach or you're pregnant, you're breastfeeding. Children can use it, and on top, most of powerful healing herbs, they taste like, well, let's just chalk it down. Bitter, metallic tasting, astringent, and then some of them are stimulating, so if you take them too late in the day, you can't sleep. This one is the opposite. What is it? You probably know already. It is lemon balm. In this video I'm going to share with you what am I using this successfully for with my one-on-one clients, how it works so you understand what this actually does once you get it into your system, and then in the end how to use it for best benefits so you get the most out of your beautiful lemon balm. To be honest with you, I recommend lemon balm to almost every one-on-one client because it has such a wide profile of benefits. Starting with sensitive stomachs, you get nausea no matter what you eat. You're very easy upset by herbs and supplements or food. Then the nervous system, if you are dealing with high stress levels, no matter if that's because of your environment, of your job, or it's internalized and it's physical anxiety. Brain fog, sleep issues, if you have trouble falling asleep or staying asleep. Last but not least, really any chronic gut issue. SIBO, acid reflux, constipation, bloating, excess gas, an overburdened and stagnant liver with viral activity. The list just goes on and on. You're going to ask yourself why this is going to be so good. Here's how it works. Now, all of these benefits you can track down to 3 basic roots, and they work synergistically, so they stack on top of each other. Number 1 has to do with GABA. GABA is your body's own calming chemical. And if you ingest lemon balm, it temporarily inhibits the enzyme that recycles GABA. So you actually stay more relaxed for a longer period of time, which is great if you want to fall asleep, and also great if you have anxiety and you just can't get out of the stress mode. The compound that is responsible for that is called rosmarinic acid. Number 2, for your gut. Lemon balm has oils in it that have an antispasmodic effect, so they directly relax the walls of your intestines, which leads to less bloating. This affects cramping, which eases gas that is trapped in the gut, gets released. And also, if you have a stomach that is constantly making kind of noises, there's constantly something going on even if you're not eating, that's also amazing with lemon balm because that effect just eases out and silence returns. And last but not least, before we come to how it works, and in the end, my absolute favorite healing plant on earth, number 3. This is a big one. Don't underestimate this. Just because this tastes amazing and looks kind of innocent, that stuff is extremely powerful while being gentle. It has massive antiviral and antibacterial effect, but not like an antibiotic that wipes out the good guys and the bad guys. It especially works for streptococcus, which is responsible for SIBO, for UTIs, bladder issues, constant sinus congestion, and on contact that literally kills streptococcus, even the resistant strains that are antibiotic resistant. In addition to that, most of us have contact Epstein-Barr somewhere, which is a virus that actually goes through different stages and nests deeply into the thyroid, into the intestines, even in the liver, and that stays dormant for years until it starts multiplying and causing massive issues for us. And this stops the virus from multiplying because the rosmarinic acid that's in there and the polyphenols, they block the virus from docking to your healthy cells, which it needs to do to replicate. So it stops viral activity from getting worse and letting your immune system finally be able to fight back and get the upper hand. Now let's talk about how I use lemon balm and how I recommend it to my one-on-one clients. But before we come to that, if you've been dealing long-term with gut issues, taking lemon balm is an amazing, powerful first step, but it also matters what you do the rest of your day. I created a sweet little mini poster with my 6 simple rules to start healing your gut naturally that you can easily implement into your daily life. It's literally the first thing I give to new clients to have a roadmap throughout their day. Simple things they can do to move towards gut healing in a natural way. I link that up here and also in the description below. You can grab that as a gift. It's for free. Now, using lemon balm. The most gentle one is making tea. You can make tea from the fresh leaves, and you need a bit more leaves. I take like a small, like tiny crushed handful, and I rub them before I put them in the hot water, or 1 teaspoon of dried leaves, or you use a tea bag. That's the gentlest one. You can also eat these guys, put them in salad. They taste lemony, very fresh, nice aromatic herb to add to the salad. To see the fastest results is to take it as a tincture. It needs to be clean, no other weird toxic ingredients, and it can't be with alcohol, because alcohol just puts a strain on your liver and taxes your system more and cancels out a lot of the healing benefits. You want to take 1 milliliter, which is usually 1 dropper, before bed. And in addition, during the day, if you feel like, oh my God, I'm in such a stress mode, you can also take another dropper full. I'll link you the one that I tested and recommend for one-on-one clients down below in the description. And if you're now curious what my number 1 favorite healing herb is, and it's so packed with healing benefits, and it complements lemon balm in a synergistic way, I recommend you to watch this video next. It's literally my favorite healing plant on planet Earth,